Hello, my name is Gavin. I'm an intern at We Uplift the World, and today I'll be showing you guys how to create prompt engineering in Copilot. First off, Microsoft Copilot is your AI writing assistant, built right into tools like Word and the Copilot app. It's especially powerful for writing essays, whether you're brainstorming, outlining, or polishing your final draft. Now we'll be creating a basic prompt to a more refined prompt. Let's jump in to get started. All right, now that we're at the Microsoft Copilot tab, what you want to do is click on the Message Copilot taskbar and put in your prompt. For us, we'll be putting in write an essay about climate change. We're going to enter in the prompt, and now we're going to wait for it to generate an answer. Let's see what it gives us. Let's see. This might take a minute. Long time. Okay, here it goes. Climate change, a global challenge. Introduction. This is what you should get. Something sort of like this. You get your introduction, you get your cause of climate change, and you get your human activities, natural factors, effects of climate change, environmental impacts, and then you read these along. And if you're not fine with these, then you can put in a more refined prompt. Also, I forgot to mention this. Anytime you're writing in the prompt, always pay attention to what you're writing. You see how we put write an essay about climate change? Now the AI might take that as being vague because it's just asking us to write an essay about climate change. But anytime you're writing into the prompt, pay attention to what you're writing so that you can explain what you're writing in full form. So now we put so now that we put write an essay about climate change, we're now going to put write a 500 word persuasive essay on climate change, targeting high school students with three key arguments and a strong conclusion. Now let's see what we get. Right, we get climate change, why you should care. It's already affecting your world, it's destroying nature and wildlife. You have the power to make a difference. Also, notice what we put in this one versus what we put in this one. The key takeaways. We put write a 500 word persuasive essay in climate change targeting high school students. So on this one, for our audience, we put high school students. For this one, there was no audience. So that is the difference between the first prompt that we did, which would be considered a basic prompt, and the second prompt, which would be more refined prompt. So anytime you're doing that, just make sure you're paying attention. That way, when you're writing, you won't confuse. You won't be confused for what you're writing. Okay, now for this section, I will be showing you how to rewrite a prompt for an essay. Now, let's say you type something in the prompt and you read the essay that you typed into the prompt and you don't like it. What you can do is you highlight that section, copy and paste it, put it back into the prompt, and it'll rewrite whatever you're asking for. So for us, we're going to put this in the prompt. Let's go ahead and copy and paste that. And it's going to now rewrite what I just copied and pasted into the prompt. Giving you something similar to this. Also, you also have to watch out for your wordplay because I'm going to go back to the previous example. You see how I put write a 500 word essay? Now, for write a 500 word essay, that was my format. That's my format. And for high school students, that was my audience. Now, if you're in college, you could put college as your audience, or if you're at work or have a job, you can put job for your audience. Also, for my three arguments and a strong conclusion, that's my structure. So, anytime I need to look for something that's going to drive my essay, I'm going to need a structure. So that's why I put three key arguments and a strong conclusion as my structure. So you always have to focus on your wordplay. That way, you get strong results when you're using Copilot. Now, I know some people may not like using AI when writing an essay due to it not feeling more authentic, but just remember Copilot doesn't replace your voice, it enhances it. You're still the author, Copilot just helps you get there much faster. So always remember, anytime you may feel like you're not doing it the right way or it's not authentic, you're always doing it the right way. Copilot is just a resource that you can use to get you there much faster. In the end, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini course that I made for you. Hopefully, you took something away from it. If not, give me feedback so that I can improve on the next one. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. More is coming on the way.